Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix smart lock not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, go back to home screen and enter your phone pin. After enter your phone pin, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search Google app from here. Click on Google and click on storage usage. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Google app. After clear cache Google app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last option is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all setting, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix smart lock not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.